If you are looking to learn CAD softwares, you have tuned into the right channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. This is your friend Amit. Let us start today's tutorial.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So let us discuss the goal for this tutorial. Now in this tutorial we will discuss about the option commands, the zoom types, that is displaying of the objects in the AutoCAD, opening up of sample drawing in AutoCAD, crosshair sizing, and the use of cross windows in AutoCAD. Let us start with the option commands. The shortcut key for option commands is OP. Have you ever wondered that we can change the black area to white area also, which is quite resemblance to your engineering drawing? How? We will do it with the help of options command. In the command bar, I will enter OP and enter. Now as I enter OP, there will be a default options dialog box in the AutoCAD. Now here we have to go into the color section. To change the background of the AutoCAD, we have to go into the colors section. As I click on colors, we will see a drawing windows color pop-up box. Now in this, we can change the layout of the 2D model space. We can change the layout of the or color of the 3D model space, 3D parallel projections, plot preview, command line. So there are many options in the AutoCAD. Right now I will discuss the Windows color option for 2D model space. Now in this we can see the interference element as uniform background. Uniform background is the background of the AutoCAD which is giving a single dark color. We can also give the gradient colors, but they are not used in AutoCAD, so we will go for the uniform background. In uniform background you can see the default color can be changed from black to white. As I click on black to white, I apply. Again I will click on apply and press OK. So you can see that the graphics area has now been set default to white color. Now it is understood in AutoCAD software that if I will make any geometry, when the background is white, the default drawings will be black in color. For example, if I make a line, we can see that the geometry will be made black in color. So this is the use of option command in AutoCAD. Let me switch it back to the default color, that is your black color. So I will enter OP, enter. Again I will go into display. I will go into the colors. Do remember the steps that has to be followed in AutoCAD. I will press colors. I will go for black color again. We can also choose multiple colors, red, yellow, depending on your requirement. But 99% black color is used. We can also change the colors of crosshairs, viewports, grid measure lines, auto track vector. When we will go into the AutoCAD, when we will understand what are crosshairs, what are light glyphs, what are control vertices, then we will be able to change of the color. For now I am changing the color of the background, say again to black. So I will click on apply and close. I will apply and press OK. Now you can see on the screen a plus symbol with a small square at its center. This is called as the crosshair in AutoCAD. You can relate it with the engineering drawing drafter. Like drafters were used for making angular lines, straight lines, parallel lines, or the roller scales. So in AutoCAD, this is the drafter or roller scale. Technically it is called as crosshair. We can also change the size of the crosshair with the help of options command. As I open the option dialog box again, we can see in the right side it is showing the size of the crosshair size. Now the default size is set to 5. Suppose I am increasing the size of the crosshair to say 35, and again I am clicking on apply and I am pressing on OK. You can see that the crosshair size has now increased to 35 units. Also we can increase the size of the middle box in the options command. Again we have to go to the options command. I will go into the selection process, and in selection you can see size of the pick box size. The pick box size can also be increased in the options command by going into the selection tab. So this was the increase of selection tab. I will again click on apply and I will press OK. So you can see that now the size of the pick box size has also increased. Also, when I select an object, then the size of pick box size can be increased or decreased. Now we will see how to select an object in AutoCAD. So there are three methods of selecting an object in AutoCAD. First method is called as by selecting the geometry. Second is called as by the selection of drawing cross windows. Now there are two types of cross windows. One is called as the full cross window, that is blue in color, and second is called as the side cross window, that is green in color. We will see the three selection methods in AutoCAD. First method is called as the selection of object. In this we have to go to the object, just left click on the object, we can see the object is being selected. Now in this case we can see some blue squares on the geometry. These are called as the grid points of the geometry. Again, to deselect a geometry or an object, we will press escape key. In the second method, if I want to select an object, I will use the full cross window. In full cross window, first I have to do a left click and leave my cursor. Now removing my hand from the left click, I have to drag the cursor towards the right side. As I drag the cursor towards the right side, you can see a blue window coming on the object. As the name suggests, it is called as the full cross window. So we have to make a window fully on the circle to make it selectable. Suppose I want to select two circles, so I will select the window on the two circle. Now you have to remember that the window is also made on the rectangle, but the rectangle has been omitted from the geometry because the window has not been made on the whole rectangle. You have to take a special note of this case. So we can see that the objects are being selected. Again, to deselect the object, I will press escape key. Now some of the students left click the mouse and they just drag the objects. So this is not a proper way of selecting a geometry. Now the last method of selection is called as the side cross window. When I left click on the mouse and drag the cursor towards the left, we can see a green window on the AutoCAD. This is called as the side cross window. In this we have to only go to the geometry periphery, that is the periphery of the geometry. It can be circumference, it can be line, it can be line. It depends on the selection of the geometry. Suppose I have made a cross window on this circle. As I preview on the circle circumference, it is being selected. Also, if I move my window forward, then you can see that the rectangle is also being selected. Since the window is not made to the whole rectangle, then also the object can be selected. So these are the three methods of selection of objects in AutoCAD. Hope you like the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon notification so you never miss an update from my side. Take care until the next tutorial.